So a few days ago, I was watching Review Bros' video review of a patty melt from Five Guys. I'll have a link to his video in the description below so you can check out his original video. Basically, the patty melt from Five Guys is just a toasted inverted hamburger bun with a patty inside and a slice of cheese on each side of the patty. My original thought was, why? Why does this need to be a thing? It's just a cheeseburger with an extra slice of cheese. And towards the end of his video, he comes to that same conclusion of why does this thing even need to be a thing? And also, he just wasn't thrilled with the toast on the bun. It was too buttery or oily and not crispy enough like the site says it should be. And this thing is not cheap. Where I am, the thing is just under $10 for a single patty, the cheese, and a bun. I'm sure I can do this just as good, if not a lot better at home. And for a lot cheaper, probably around $2. So let's go do that. Let's get cooking. First, gonna get some oil down. Get our onions, or whatever toppings you want. Get our bun outside down first. This should work better. Need a little bit more char than that. Alright, now we're going to put the other side down. Onions taken off. Okay, go ahead and get our 3-ounce patty down. Alright, go ahead and get our paper put on. And smash down. Beautiful. Salt and pepper. Alright, flip. And cheese. Patty's so thin, I don't worry about seasoning the other side. One side's good enough. Okay, and this is going to go on the bottom bun, but inside out. Lay some cheese down on the bottom bun. We'll get this taken inside and build up. Alright, then the only thing I really ever put on my burgers from Five Guys is just some bacon, some of these grilled onions, and some Texas Pete hot sauce. And again, top it inside out. All right, let's go ahead and give it a taste test. If I was to order that at Five Guys, that would be probably $9 or $10 for a single patty. And that is fantastic. Got a nice crust on it from grilling it that long. It's a really, really good burger. Try it. It's super easy. One more step than a smash burger. Put whatever toppings on it you like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.